Hi, how you doing? So today I'm going to make this eggplant, aubergine, brinjal, whatever you call it. Very, very simple dish. We're just going to fry the eggplants. I'm going to be calling them that, I think. We're going to make a really simple tomato sauce. We're going to bang it in the oven. It really is lovely, 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 vegetarian and vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook With. So let's take a look at our brinjal, our eggplants, our aubergines, whatever you call them. So I've got these kind of babyish ones. I mean, you can get them much smaller than that, but these are roughly that sort of size. You can do it with a different one if you want, different sizes, up to you. What we're going to do is we're going to cut these in half, and then we're simply going to fry them. So you're going to need a pan with some oil in it. I'm using the sunflower oil. Now you can shallow fry them, deep fry them, it's up to you. So I've cut them in half, and as much as I can, I've actually kept the stalk part on there. Medium heat, very simply what we're going to do is throw them around, flipping them a few times, just for maybe 5 minutes. So I've taken a little bit of that oil that we fried the eggplants in. I'm going to add 1 cup onion, 1 tablespoon of garlic, and then a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, chili powder and dried thyme. Medium heat, I've just put that on, 5 minutes. Beautiful stuff. Very simply, we're now going to add some tomato paste. This is 135 grams in total, which is, you know, one of these small kind of Tetra Pak things. Just going to go for 3 minutes, stirring all of the time. Fantastic. Next up, 1 cup of water. Well, I'm using water, but if you want, you could use like a Maggi cube or a Knorr cube or something, vegetable stock sort of thing. But water works just really well. Just 2 minutes, and then this is done. Beautiful stuff. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. So ceramic, metal or glass like I've got, anything that can go in the oven. You can see I've put the eggplants in there. Simply we're going to pour that over. Now get your oven on. You need a nice preheated oven, maximum heat, just super, super hot. That's going to go in for, let's give it a little shake so it gets around there. That's going to go in for about 10 minutes on a really, really high heat. Job done. Beautiful, beautiful, simple stuff. Little bit of chopped parsley on the top. You can eat that just like that or have it as a side with something if you want, but yeah, super delicious. Keep safe, keep well. See you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.